Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Bar Broadway in Sydney. So Bar Broadway is located at the corner of Broadway and George Street, only a 5-minute walk from Central Station. I had booked the single room. For the single room, it comes with or without a bathroom, so the price without a bathroom is much cheaper. I had also booked using an online travel agency and the room rate was $105 a night. The room was clean, it came with bath and shower gels and also towels. The only thing missing were disposable toothbrushes, so I'd recommend bringing your own prior visiting. There were also coffee and tea stuff provided. One of the issues was the Wi-Fi. I have two phones and both phones didn't seem to connect to the Wi-Fi properly. The bathroom, even though it was quite clean and the hot water worked well, there were some issues like the sink hand basin area is quite small, as well as the shower head is quite low. So if you're above 175 centimeters, you'll have some issues in the bathroom. The aircon in the room works well, but it can be a bit noisy at times. There's also shared spaces like the lounge and kitchenette. So there's two lounges and two kitchens. The issue with the kitchen was that there were appliances that weren't working. The appliances that had signs that said it wasn't working was the cooktop and the oven. Only the refrigerator seems to be the ones that's working. For the rooms that don't have a bathroom, there's shared bathrooms located at the end of each corridor. One of the bathrooms was located in the laundry room. I didn't, however, use the washing machine, so I can't provide any recommendations on whether they worked well or how much they costed. The final thing you need to know is that checkout is done before 10 a.m. and it's self-service where you drop the key in this box here. That's because there's nobody working between 4 and 10 a.m. and the bar is closed. For doors on each level, you need your room key to enter, and between 4 and 10 a.m. these doors here are actually locked, so you have to use the rear access, which is this one. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.